Today we're going to look at this. T-brake.
Hello again, Mince 1970 here. Now in this episode we're going to adjust the handbrake on a Land Rover Defender 200 TDI. So if you've got your MOT coming up, your handbrake should lock on after about 3 clicks. So I'm going to show you mine now, which is a little bit bad. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to adjust this and reset it. So the first things we need to do is we need to chop the front wheels, jack the rear wheels up and put them on axle stands. If you haven't got enough chocks, an old brick will do. Right, now take the handbrake off. This is very hard to see under here, so close, but this is the handbrake drum. And on the back of the handbrake drum, up there, that's the shoe adjuster. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten that up until the handbrake stops spinning. So at the minute, so if I push the wheel, you can see, hopefully, the handbrake drum rotating. So what we're going to do is we're going to alter that adjuster up there until the handbrake stops spinning. And for that we need an M12 spanner or a 1/2 inch spanner. Right. So this is very awkward to see. So I'm doing this through the camera, which makes it a lot harder. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this that's 1 click and we can still rotate it. So we're going to turn this two clicks and we can still rotate. Three clicks. That's really tight. 4 clicks. I can still rotate it. That's 5 clicks. Oh, that's solid. So what we do is we back that off. 2 clicks.
That's one. Yeah. Oh, you can just hear it dragging. So we're going to go one more click on that. That's it. So we've backed that off 2 clicks now. And that's it. She's freewheeling now. You can see the wheels turning over there. Yeah. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to get up there. It's really hard to show you on the camera. And adjust the cable. So I'm going to adjust this cable. And I'm going to put the nut right on the end of the threads. Try and get rid of that 6 clicks on the handbrake. So I've had to change cameras because my other one froze while I was doing this. So what I've done is that locking nut is now right on the end of the threads, and the second locking nut on the back is tight, and I've covered the threads with grease so that if I need to adjust it again it will be easy to do. Another one of the jobs that I suggest you do while you're down here and while the wheels are jacked up off the floor is to do your grease nipples, because you can rotate the drive shaft really easy to find the best place to get them. So you can do your front ones by your gear box, and you could do the back ones by the axle, and you could rotate the shaft. So now the handbrake, we have 1, 2, 3, and I can't pull it anymore. So that handbrake is now set properly. So that's how to adjust your handbrake. It's actually very easy. It's just a bit of a pain to do because it's underneath the vehicle. But there's no reason why you can't do it in about 10-15 minutes. And like I always say, if you've enjoyed this episode, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Click that little bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. And I'll see you again really soon. Bye bye for now.